People talk about qualifying for a tax credit. What does that mean? Mr. Customer, if you own a house and you buy solar, you qualify and you receive the tax credit. The real issue is, will they, in your mind, and here's why you're the one who's doubting the tax credit, is because you know they have a kind of a balloon payment due in 18 months. You've shown them that this $100,000 solar system has to have a $30,000 pay down by month 18, or their payments going from, $300 a month to $400 a month. We're talking about a big solar system now, $30,000 in tax credits, $100,000 in pricing. You're the one who's worried that they're not going to get that money in time. One of the things you need to know is homeowners have money. You might be the broke ass who's worried about their payment going from $300 to $400 or $220 to $280. You're not only buying the objection, you're the one creating the objection. You're the one that thinks they need to apply the tax credit to the solar loan, or the payment's going up $60 a month, and that's a catastrophe. When you're talking to homeowners, they have $5,000 to $10,000 a month in expenses. Do you think it matters a tinker's damn to them if the electric bill is $220 or $260? That doesn't matter to them. At the end of the day, all of their expenses come out of their account automatically. They don't even see the damn thing.